The Dodgers come into their matchup with the White Sox, a remarkable 50 games over 500. Yu Darvish on the hill trying to win his third straight start since joining LA. Pick up the action, 2-1 White Sox in the fourth. Enrique Hernandez at the dish facing Carlos Rodon.
And a ball that's scalded to straightaway center field, and he's taken Rodon deep again. This game is tied at 2 on a Hernandez homer.
Now the 3-2, Darvish to Narvaez, swung on and missed strike 3, and that will end the inning. White Sox 3, the Dodgers 2.
Delmonico goes after the first pitch, hooking to the pole, and on the inside the pole, he hits his second home run of the night.
4-2, White Sox, 1 out, 9th inning. Forsythe drills a base hit into the left field corner. Bellinger's on his way home. Throw to the plate is not in time. It is now 4-3.
Can Yasiel Puig deliver? You bet he can. Not a question of if. The question is who and when. Tonight it's Puig.
The Dodgers with their major league leading 10th walk-off win of the season, taking it 5-4. Yu Darvish struck out a career-low 2 batters. It snapped his 124-start streak with at least 3 strikeouts. That was the 5th longest such streak in MLB history and the longest to start a career.